A broken garage door cable can cause instability, making the door dangerous to use. Immediate garage door repair is critical to restore safety and daily function. Why cables matter. Cables help lift and lower the door evenly. In Dallas, Texas, where garage use is frequent, a broken cable can unbalance the system and damage other parts like springs and tracks. How cable systems work. Garage door cables wind on drums to carry the door's weight. If one fails, the door may lean, jam, or close abruptly, posing risks to people and property. What causes cable breaks? Common reasons include wear and tear, rust, poor materials, improper tension, and blocked or misaligned tracks that stress the cables. Warning signs to watch for. Look out for a sagging door, uneven movement, snapping sounds, or sudden stops. These signal a cable issue that needs urgent attention. Dangers of operating a door with a broken cable. Using a door with a damaged cable can lead to collapse, opener failure, or broken springs. Stop use immediately to avoid injury. What technicians do. Pros inspect the system, disconnect the opener, replace both cables, check other parts, and test for smooth operation, especially important in Dallas weather conditions. Prevention and when to call. Maintain your door with routine checks, lubrication, and cleaning. Call a professional if you notice fraying, snapping sounds, or the door moving unevenly. Prioritize safety by acting early.